Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Gregory in Utah on this RCI-2995DXCF. Gregory, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, got the Bechet IR520s, voltage regulator upgrade, amp on-off switch on the back, as well as the digital echo board added. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. That's right, 5 watts all the way down, just in case you decide to run an amplifier, you get full adjustability. 50 watts all the way up. Hello. 88 bird average. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. And we're looking about 190 PEP. Alright, Gregory, it's ready to come to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.